Good morning, students. Welcome back to CAMD lecture. Okay. In the last class, we discussed about the sectioning of solids with some examples. Today, we'll discuss one more example of different geometries. Okay. So today we'll be discussing about this one, this problem. We'll be reading out this problem. A regular pentagonal pyramid, a side of base 30 mm and height 60 mm, rests on its base on HP, such that one of the base edge is perpendicular to the VP. A section plane parallel to the VP cuts the pyramid at a distance of 8 mm in front of the axis. Draw its sectional front view and top view. So very simple example over here. Let's go to the solutions. Let's go to the solutions. The solution is like this. The object is the pentagonal pyramid as given in the problem. The dimensions. The dimensions are as follows. The base of edge. Okay. The side of a base is 30 mm and the height axis is given is 60 mm. Next condition, it is resting on ground or HP horizontal plane with one base edge is perpendicular to the VP. Next, cutting plane details. The plane is parallel to VP and cuts at a distance of 8 mm in front of the axis. Okay, so these are all the things given in the problem side only. You have to understand, you have to sort out these things very first. Okay, so what is the object, what is the dimensions, what is the condition of the objects, all these things, what is the conditions of cutting plane details, all these things. So here the plane is parallel to VP means the top view will be seen as a line. Okay, let's go to solve this problem. Next step. So as usual, we have to very first we have to draw this XY line. Okay, so here XY line with VP and HP. So next, as we have said, the base edge, one of the edge is perpendicular. Okay, you can see over here. So over here we can have these things. So we'll be having these lines. So this is the one of the base edge of 30 mm is perpendicular to the vertical planes, VP, such a way that we have to place and it is resting on the HP horizontal plane. Okay, so this is the orientation of the object. Okay, you have to keep this all these things in a mind. So this is the object of a pentagonal pyramid of a side of 30 mm and height of 60 mm. So this is the top view, how it looks like from the top. Okay, uh, and sorry, here it is a top view, and it is a section. After once it is after cutting a section. Okay, so this will be the 8 mm in front of the axis, central axis. Okay. So this is the front view, how it looks like. Okay, after cutting the plane, after taking a slice of the object in the front view, front plane, which is parallel to the VP. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So working procedure, what to do first? Very first XY line, draw XY line and draw line perpendicular to the VP. Okay, line such a way that it should be perpendicular to the VP. Okay, so over here 108 degree. So draw first line of 30 mm. Okay. So draw next line is of 180 degree, 108. So on both the side, 108 of 3 mm, 30 mm size. Take a 30 mm size, you mark over here and draw these lines. From here, you can take this length, you can draw arc from here to here. You can arc over here, you'll be drawing this arc, and you have to join this both the arcs. Okay. So here you will get this one. Okay. So next, so once it is done, you have to name all the parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So similarly, join the bisectors with these things to join the center point. Okay, the bisector of this 1 and 2 and 1 and 5, so will come over here, bisectors, and you have to project, they are the generators. Okay, 1 and 2, 1 dash 2 dash, this is the center O, 3 dash 5 dash and 4 dash. You have to generate the lines. From here, we have generated up to here. From this, it is the center line. From here, we have to, from the last, we have point 4 dash. 4 dash. Okay. So next, we have to join this line. So to draw this, the center line. After this, you have to join all the points at a height of 60 mm. Okay, so this will be the things. So here it is, a height is given. So this is height is given of 60 mm height. Okay. So to see this, after you have to cut the line 8 mm in front of the 8 mm in front of the center line, 8 mm. As earlier I told, you have to mark these lines. So taking up to here, and here it is there, and over here. Okay. So all these lines. Okay, this is the center line. What we are showing here. Center line over here, it is there. Okay. So next, this plane is cutting. Okay. So next, where this will be the front view, how it looks like. The front view is getting, it is a true shape over here. Whatever the plane is parallel to either VP or HP, we'll be getting a true shape of the section. So this is how this will be cutting. Okay. So this point of intersections. Okay. A dash, B dash, all these things. Okay, so that will be marked over here. Okay, so next this point, okay, A dash. Okay, so it will be seen on the 1 2 line. Okay, similarly this distance will be marked over here, so this point, and similarly from here 1 dash 2 dash. Okay, so next this point, uh, again O2 dash. Okay, this length will be cutted in the O2 dash. Okay, from O it will become on this point. Next similarly O3 dash, see this point will be coming. Okay, so this point, this point, and we are having this point also. It is cutting all these points. Okay, so I projected out all these points. Okay, so over here, so whichever the portion is there, uh, seen as a straight line, okay, visible after cutting, so that are going to be marked with the highlighted with the darkening one. Okay, so this A dash, B dash, C dash, and D dash. Okay, so this A dash will be marked, okay, from 1 to line. So this is a 1 to line over here, this point, and B dash will be marked on O2 line. Again, it is the O2 line over here. So B dash it is that. Again, C will be taken up here, and will be taken on this side. Okay. So next O3 line will be cutting layer O3 line. Okay. So next D will be making with the 3 and 4 line. Okay, this is a 3 and 4 line, okay, over here. So this is the D. Join all the points and hatch this one, hatch this portion, which will be the true shape of the section. So this portion will be the hatched one. So this portion is the exactly true shape of the section, and whatever the things are there hatched one, they are the visible line, they are not hidden lines. Okay, so to hatch all these lines, so to hatch all these lines. Okay, so this is the hatching is done. Okay. So all these things we have to do. Hope you understood this concept of sectioning. Try this out in the home. Okay. Ask for any queries. Feel free to ask the queries, and do practice this one. Very, very important, very simple one. What to do? Just you have to make this one with the carefully. Okay. Hope you understood this concept very clearly. And if you are having any doubts, feel free to ask me, contact me for any queries. Thank you, one and all.